Hi guys, welcome. Today we're doing a project for Pandahall, and you may have seen the unboxing. If not, please go and check out that video because they do some awesome stuff over there, and you may be interested in buying a few bits or that. So today I'm doing a Halloween owl canvas, and yeah, let's get on with it. So you may remember these little puzzle boxes that I got. I think they were 12.5 centimetres by 12.5 centimetres. What I've done is I've just gessoed them over. What gesso is an acrylic paint, but it's thicker than just the normal paint. And it gives it a good coating to like primer the bottom and lovely coating on it. So what we've done is we've gessoed this over in black, so we've got a base. I've cut out a sheet of paper. I went with this scrolly pattern design so I could put that in there. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm going just to stick that paper in with a bit of glue and get it into the right place that I want it. How was it that I wanted this? It's the same all around, so I don't know why I'm turning it. It was like that, I believe. So that's in there now. We've just stuck that sheet of paper inside there. Just make sure all the corners are down firmly because you don't want them to lift. There we go. Right, we'll leave that to dry. Now I've got this wood slice here. It's an actual wood slice. And I've put on one of these Roman numeral die MDF pieces. I'm going to paint this. I was going to have it in natural, but I'm going to actually paint that. I've got the owl. Isn't he gorgeous? Look at the detail in his body. I don't know if you could see that up close. So it's all metal. And he will be going in there. And then I've taken one of the Happy Halloweens, which was like this, and I've carefully cut it with a knife. You've got to be very careful, but I've made it into 2 words. So we're going to do something with these as well. So I've got some various paints out. I need to do something with this next. So we're going to paint this. Got some of these Vinnabar sparks here, and I thought they were nice because they're like Halloweeny colours. Let me show you the colours. So I thought they'd be nice with this project. Sorry I'm a bit shaky, guys. But this green will be nice as well. So I think what I'll do is I'll paint this and then I'll come back. Okay, we're back. So what I've done is I've just put some of the sparks paint on here in all different colours all the way around. I've left the back plain because that's going to be glued down. I've left these little bits of bark hanging because they just look nice, authentic on the bark. You know, you can see it's a piece of bark wood then. So I wanted something on this front here just to go in this circle that would be plain colour because it's too much. So what I've done is I've actually got one of these ATC round shapes, and I'm going to glue that down onto there because it's too much with just all these colours together if I'm going to put the bird on. Now you'll see why. I've done the bird and I've put some waxes on it, so when the light hits you can see she or he is very sparkly, and if I was to put that straight onto there it's very it's too much. So what I want to do is just break up that colour a little bit, and I'm going to put that on there so it's like this, okay, which looks a lot better. So also the words I've done in the paint as well, and they're all sparkly. So what we'll do is we'll get some glue, and we will do this top piece. And this time, guys, I've actually bought myself a new one of these. Whether it'll break, I don't know. And I've got myself a new one of these as well. Right, so what I want to do is just put this down onto here. Get some glue build up on there. So I want it to stick. There we go. That's done. And then on top of there, I want the owl to go on. Be careful with this because it's a joint body, and also I've got glue everywhere now, but I'm just trying to wipe some off. We can always retouch it if it comes to it. Right, we do need a bit of cardboard under there, so let me get a bit of cardboard. Now we need to bring that head up and put the cardboard down on there like that, but I don't want it showing. Okay, I don't mind glue underneath because I can wipe some of that out, and it'll have to be arranged anyway. Like that. Hopefully that'll stay in place and not go backwards. Also, let me just touch this bit of glue and get rid of it. There we go. Now, that is going to be stuck onto there, like that. Let's just line it up. Right, let's get this stuck down. That's going to need quite a bit of glue on it, because it's quite a heavy piece with the wood, because it's such a bigger piece of wood. But I think it's coming on great. It's going to look lovely when it's done. And yeah, I see the puzzle boards on the site, and I thought, I know what, I'm going to try something with them. Well, they sound interesting, and I don't think many people have actually done that, so I thought it was a good idea. And I like to create something out of something, you know, that's unusual. Right, that needs to be dried, but we can move it around for now if we want to. And now I'm going to put on the words. Let's start with the Halloween at the bottom. This is going to look messy until it dries, because the glue will dry out clear. Right, let's get some more glue on. Get that stuck down. That. And then the happy one. long as we've got enough room. Right, give me a second. I've got way too much glue on one point, so we're just going to tidy that up. Now that's going to look messy for a little while until it dries. Okay, but it will dry. And it will look nice. Just making sure everything's fine. Yeah. Okay. So that's that done. Now we've just got to leave it to dry for a little while. Just wiping my tools over. What do you think so far? Will be dry soon, and then I can show you what it looks like. This is it here. And you can see by my hand how big it is. It's only tiny. Let me put it up there. Isn't it gorgeous? And them colours on it, and the piece of wood. Really lovely.